Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving another simultaneous equation using the substitution method. So let's begin. The question I am going to be solving is from this book, the Cambridge IGSCE and O-Level Additional Maths course book, chapter number 2, exercise 2.1 and question number 15. So let's get right in. So the question is y is equal to 3x. Now 3x has been made this subject for us. Y is equal to 3x, so 2y square. The other equation is 2y square minus xy is equal to 15. Now y is already the subject in this equation, so we're going to put the value of y into these two areas, into these two y's in the other equation. So it will be 2 into 3x whole square minus x into 3x is equal to 15. There is no point in shifting 15 from this side of the equation to the other side, because you will see that in a bit. So 2 into 9x squared minus 3x squared is equal to 15. 18x squared minus 3x squared is equal to 15. 15x squared is equal to 15. New page. X squared is equal to 15. So it was 15 was multiplying with x squared here. So we're going to take it to the other side of the equation and divide it by 15 here. 15 ones are 15 ones are. So x squared is equal to 1. Now because now I am going to be putting the under root sign in on both sides of the equation. So I'm going to cut x squared with under root. X is equal to 1 because the under root of 1 is 1. So just so because we put an under root sign, we have to put a plus and minus sign, because minus 1 because minus 1 whole square is also 1 and plus whole square is also 1. So you can take that into example as 4 square and 16 and 4 and minus 4 whole square both have the answer of 16. That's why it's necessary to put plus minus, because the value of x could be any. So x is equal to plus minus 1. So the original, and now we are going to put this original we are going to put this value of x into the original equation, which was y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3 into minus 1. Y is equal to minus 3. So it's going to be minus 1 comma minus 3. And the other answer will be y is equal to 3 into 1. Y is equal to 3. So 1 comma 3. So this is one answer and this is one answer. Oops. This is one answer. So I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want, I can go through the steps one more time. So this was step 1 into turning the equation into a rather simpler equation. Then this was step 2, solving the equation and then putting the value of x, the first equation, and into the second equation. So I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe and send it to or share it with friends who are struggling during exams or just want to improve during the summer break. And I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.